Gary has a total of $260 in $5 bills and $10 bills. If he has 33 bills in total, how many of each denomination does he have? Well, just like every other question, we have to first select some variables to use and identify them. When nothing is obvious to me as far as dollar bills go or anything like this, I like to use X and Y, but any letter will work. And be really clear what you're representing. A $5 bill has a value of $5, so I'm not going to let X equal the value of $5. I already know the value. Instead, I'm going to let X equal the number of $5 bills. And then I'm going to let Y equal the number of $10 bills. Money problems can be tricky because the number of items you have actually each do have a value. So we're going to have to account for that. Let's make an easy equation up first though. I noticed they said he has 33 bills in total. So what I do know is that all of the $5 bills plus all of the Y or the $10 bills altogether makes 33 bills. So I've got one easy equation there. But now I'm going to have to come up with the second equation that would involve the value of the money. So I know $5 bills have a value of $5. So I'm going to write $5, 5x to represent the value, plus the value of $10 bills, which is 10. Altogether is going to equal $260. So this is something funny that does come up when you're dealing with money. If something has a value, you'll have to use that value in your second equation. Now, I could use elimination to solve this equation fairly easily. I'm going to take the first equation here and multiply it by 5. So 5x plus 5y equals 165. In my second equation, I haven't changed. So if you know substitution and elimination really well, you'll be able to choose which one to use based on whatever would be easier. In this case, it was really easy to use elimination because I only had to multiply one equation. And then I'm just going to subtract the two equations. 5x minus 5x means my x's are eliminated. 5y minus 10y is negative 5y. And 165 minus 260 is negative 95. If I'd been thinking, I might have written those numbers in the equations in the opposite order so that I didn't end up with negatives. But in either case, I'm getting y is 19. So that means I have 19 $10 bills. And to solve the number of $5 bills I have, I'm just going to go back to my easier equation and go x plus 19 equals 33. So x is 14. There are 19 $10 bills and 14 $5 bills.